The workshops with Visual Studio 2026. You must follow these to make sure that your programs works with the code samples and standards of OOP244 following C++14. So when you create a project, you're going to select an empty project exactly like Visual Studio 2022. Select the location in which you want to create it. So let's say I want to create it here. Select a folder and let's assume it's workshop 2. Obviously we're going to place the solution project same directory and you create it. So you wait for it to create the project. And then this step is crucial. After you do this, you must right click on the name of the project, come down to properties, then go to C++ language standard, click on it. On the drop down list, select ISO C++14 standard. Click on apply and continue. You can do this at all times. So if your program is giving you some error messages that is not supposed to, just right click, go to properties, and set in C++ language standard, select C++14, and those problems are going to go away. Thank you.